Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can downgrade the firmware of your Xbox One S controller. First, you need to install the Xbox Accessibility app in the Microsoft Store. Then you will need to plug in your controller via USB to your computer. Copy the link that I have put in the description and paste it like shown in the video. Now you can downgrade your firmware. As you can see, the firmware is now reverted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.